In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder or an out-of-office message in the new version of Outlook using the available features. It's important to note that the new Outlook does not employ the rule function for automatic replies. So I'm here to walk you through the straightforward process of setting it all up. Ensuring you've got your autoresponder prepared before stepping away from your email for any length of time is a great way to maintain communication even when you can't personally reply to each message. First things first, navigate over to the Microsoft Outlook web page. Once you're there, the initial step is to click on the Sign In button. This will guide you to the login page. Here, you'll need to input your login credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Outlook account and then hit Next. Follow by entering your password. Taking these steps ensures your access to your Outlook Mail dashboard. Once logged in, you're greeted by the Outlook dashboard. Direct your attention towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon. It often resembles a gear or cog. Go ahead and click on it. Upon opening the settings menu, you'll want to look for and select Accounts. Within that section, you will find the Automatic Replies option. Click on that, and you are nearly ready to set up your autoresponder. To begin, you need to activate the Automatic Replies feature. You'll notice an option to turn it on. Click this to enable it. An essential feature that Outlook provides is the ability to send replies only during a specified time period. This is perfect for tailoring your message to cover your absence without needing to turn it on and off manually. Set your desired start and end times for when you want the autoresponder to be active. After setting the time, it's time to craft your reply message. This message will be automatically sent to those who reach out to you during your specified absence. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and provides any necessary information, such as when the sender can expect you back or whom they should contact in case of immediate needs. You can also choose whether to send replies only to your contacts. This option is handy if you prefer to limit automated responses to people you know, potentially avoiding unnecessary emails to unknown senders or mailing lists. Once you're satisfied with your settings and crafted message, ensure everything looks good by clicking the Save button to confirm your settings. And there you have it. The new Outlook effortlessly handles your out-of-office notifications without the need for the traditional rule function. By preparing ahead with an autoresponder, you can confidently step away from your inbox, knowing that you've left behind a professional and informative message for your contacts.